Perfect. I love them. What's up, y'all? So welcome back to another delicious recipe. As you know, it's traditional to serve latkes during Hanukkah, which is absolutely one of my favorites. You can serve them with vegan sour cream, applesauce, you name it. But today we're gonna be taking latkes to the next level and we're gonna be making Reuben latkes. Let's get started. And there you have our easy, delicious Reuben latkes. Now, on to my favorite part, the eating. Which one do I choose? They look so good. They've got the perfect amount of crunch, topped with the vegan dressing, some sauerkraut, some fresh green onions. Enough talking, let's eat. Wow. You can't go wrong with latkes in general, but adding a type of vegan corned beef, some vegan cheese, frying it to perfection, topping it with vegan Thousand Island, sauerkraut, green onions. Perfect, I love them. So Reuben latkes have now become a tradition I make every year. They're super, super delicious. I'll post the recipe link in the description below. Let me know too, what have you done with latkes? Do you like them just as they are? What do you serve them with? Have you done anything crazy? Let me know. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more fun stuff coming soon. Thanks for watching. See ya.